Hello Mosaic friends, and welcome to How to Get Creative using liquid tints in Thinset, Grout, and so much more. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to work with liquid tints. And here's the set of 9 tints that you can get with the kit, or you can buy singles if you choose. Just send me an email and we'll get that sent out to you. But these tints are a great set to have. These are made for tinting concrete and paint, so they're very high in UV resistance and very high in saturation level. So it doesn't take a lot to tint your Thinset or your Grout. In the tutorial, you're going to learn how to make a substrate with tinted Thinset. You have to say that 10 times fast. So we're going to learn how to make this substrate, and then you're going to learn how to tint the adhesive, which is Thinset, to put your tessera on. So this is a completed piece, but you'll see the process from beginning to end in this tutorial. And then we'll move on to tinting Grout. These are 3 sample boards. I like to keep sample boards in my studio so that I can see the different colors against the tessera of what works best. So here you have a marigold orange with a yellow stained glass. Here we have a red against a red stained glass. And then I created a purple for the mirror. And these are just great to always have in your studio. You'll learn using a white and a gray Grout, and you'll learn how to work with a gray and a white Thinset as well. Some of the other materials you're going to learn to work with is self-adhesive mesh, and that's how we'll create the substrate. And then you're also going to learn how to put the hanging hardware onto the substrate you created. We'll use the disc washers like these. You'll learn how to use the flathead screws that are the best ones to go into those washers, the D-rings that are best for it, and the nuts that go behind it. So there's so much to learn in this tutorial, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So let's get started.